2025 to 26. Today, the field is filled with excitement, energy, and endless possibilities. This is a day that celebrates teamwork, discipline, perseverance, and the true spirit of sport.
Our esteemed chief guest, Sri Sammitha Satish Babu Garu, a renowned badminton coach with 22 years of experience and a guiding light for
working as a badminton coach and sports assistant physical education at AKTP School, Tanuku. Along with this, he also coaches a degree and a BPED qualification, and throughout his career, he has trained and 2 years of experience. He has coached the sub-junior Indian badminton team, completed the international coaches course at the Gopichan Academy, and has served as a main coach for the Andhra Pradesh team in national championship more than 20 times. Under his guidance, 7 players represented India internationally, including a silver medalist at the Asia Pacific Championship, and 65 players have competed at the national level. He is also the proud recipient of the District Best Teacher Award and the State Sports School Excellence Award. We warmly welcome Shri Sammetla Satish Babu Garu as our chief guest today.
Set to perform the welcome dance.
Performance. Now, we move on one of the most important moments of this ceremony, inviting our distinguished guest onto the stage.
Yes, indeed. Their presence today adds grace, inspiration and immense pride to our sports meet.
To begin with, we heartily invite our beloved Principal Ma'am, Srimati MVK Visalakshi Garu onto the stage. We request Chaitra from G3 to kindly come forward and present a bouquet to Principal Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. We request you to please take your seat. In March 1976, he is currently working as a badminton coach and a sport assistant physical education at AKTP School, Tanuku. Along with these, he also coaches at the Chitturi Subbarao Gopichan Badminton Academy and SKSD Women's College in Tanuku. He has an impressive 22 years of coaching experience in badminton. Sir holds a BA degree and a BPED qualification, and throughout his career, he has trained and inspired many young athletes. Today, we are honored to welcome a distinguished badminton coach with over 22 years of experience. He has coached the sub-junior Indian badminton team, completed the international coaches course at the Gopichan Academy, and has served as a main coach for the Andhra Pradesh team in national championships more than 20 times. Under his guidance, 7 players represented India internationally, including a silver medalist at the Asian Pacific Championship, and 65 players have competed at the national level. He is also the proud recipient of the District Best Teacher Award and the State Sports School Excellence Award. We warmly welcome Shri Sammetla Satish Babu Garu as our chief guest today. We request Sahasra from G3 to come forward and present a bouquet to our chief guest.
Of Basham High School, Panduranga sir, to come onto the stage.
We request Kshetra from G3 to kindly come forward and present a bouquet. A big round of applause, children.
Thank you, sir. Please take the
Zonal Education Officer Shri Shivanarayana Reddy Garu onto the stage. Request Janvi Shri from G3 to present a bouquet to ZDO sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
With our dignitaries warmly welcome onto the stage, we now move to a truly meaningful part of today's ceremony. Now, we begin the auspicious start of our program. Light is the symbol of knowledge, positivity, and new beginnings. To mark this beautiful moment, I humbly invite our chief guest, Sri Sammetla Satish Babu Garu, for the lighting of the lamp.
Thank you, sir and ma'am, for lighting the lamp and
Remain calm, and I request all the students and your parents to please stand in your respective places.
Bharadaram Vishnu Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavathanam Jayet Sarva Vignopasantaye Agajanana Padmakam Gajanana Maharnisham साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Kindly proceed for the sports meet flag hoisting.
Salute! Order! Salute! Order! Salute! Order! Let's begin our national anthem.
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जल शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
जय बोलो भारत माता की.
Salute. Order. Thank you, sir, for honoring us with this.
Salute! Order!
Thinking and not as I got to life, I will shine your light. Ever mindful, a humble start. Although I'm unique, I will everyone will make my life complete. Harmony with everyone will make my life complete. Bhashyam forevermore, let your standards forever remain. Bhashyam forevermore, let your standards forever remain. Throughout the world, throughout my life. Hail to the Bhashyam blooms, thanks for shaping me. Hail to the Bhashyam blooms, thanks for shaping me. With an open mind, I know I will find knowledge throughout of all my life's years. Whether far or near, I will always hear the sound of your voice, always in my ears. As I live my life, I will surely strive to be all that I can be. Bhashyam forevermore, let your wisdom ring in the air. Bhashyam forevermore, let your wisdom ring in the air. Throughout the world, throughout my life, passion will never fail. Hail to the Bhashyam blooms, thanks for shaping me. Hail to the Bhashyam blooms, thanks for shaping me. Hail to the Bhashyam blooms, thanks for shaping me. Hail to the Bhashyam blooms, thanks for shaping me.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we come to one of the most exciting highlights of today's sports meet, the opening parade, where discipline meets pride and teamwork marches forward with confidence. Today, our parade will be presented by vibrant schoolhouses from grade 3 to grade 7. Each house marches with honor, unity, and the determination to give the best in every event.
Welcome the confident and graceful. Following them is a vibrant and energetic Carolyn's house. Leading the parade, we proudly present the Rosiers House.
All competitors taking part in our school's inter-house sports meet, we pledge commitment to the true sport principles with honor and respect. We will abide by the rules of games and foster our best abilities. We will strive for excellence, stay healthy in mind, body, and spirit.
And now, the movement of every athlete.
Presenting our proud torchbearers as they carry the flame of excellence across the field.
A big round of applause.
Presenting our
To please declare the Basham Blooms Inter-House Sports Meet 2025 to 26 open.
Of the meet, we request our chief guest to release the dove into the air. May this carry with them our hopes.
Basham Blooms Inter-House Competition Sports Meet open.
Garu to kindly come into the stage and share his inspiring message with us.
భాష్యం జోనల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఆఫీసర్ శ్రీ ఏఎస్ఎన్ రెడ్డి గారికి, భాష్యం బ్లూమ్స్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ మేడం విశాలక్ష్మి మేడం గారికి, అలాగే భాష్యం మరియు ప్రత్యేకించి మా ఫిజికల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నా నమస్కారం. అలాగే విద్యార్థులందరికీ నా ఆశీస్సులు. ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ చూస్తే భాష్యం బ్లూమ్స్ మామూలు భాష్యం బ్లూమ్స్ ఇంటర్ హౌస్ కాంపిటీషన్స్ అని చెప్పారు, కానీ ఇక్కడ అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ చూస్తే ఆల్మోస్ట్ స్టేట్ మీట్ లాగా ఉందండి. ఇంత సిస్టమేటిక్గా మేము నేషనల్స్ అండ్ స్టేట్ లెవెల్ కాంపిటీషన్స్లోనే చూస్తాము. మరి ప్రత్యేకించి దీని గురించి ఫిజికల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నేను బాగా అభినందిస్తున్నాను. ఎక్సలెంట్గా చేశారు. అలాగే నేను చూసిన ఈ మధ్యకాలంలో ఎంత స్పోర్ట్స్కి ఎంత ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ ఇచ్చిన స్కూల్స్ మన జిల్లాలో ఎక్కడా లేదండి. ఇక్కడ 200 మీటర్స్ ట్రాక్ విత్ సింథటిక్ పెయింట్ అండ్ ఆ పక్కన చూస్తే క్రికెట్ నెట్స్, ఇవన్నీ ఎక్కడ కూడా ఏ స్కూల్స్లో కూడా ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు. ఇక్కడ భాష్యం విద్యా సంస్థల్లో ఎంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇస్తున్నారంటే వాళ్ళు స్పోర్ట్స్కి ఎంత ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తున్నారు అనేది అర్థమవుతుంది. విద్యార్థులందరూ ఈ అవకాశాన్ని ఉపయోగించుకుని ఎవ్రీడే ఒక 1 అవర్ పాటు స్టడీస్తో పాటు ఒక 1 అవర్ ఫిజికల్ ఫిట్నెస్ చేయవలసిందిగా కోరుచున్నాను. అలాగే ఈ ఇంటర్ హౌస్ కాంపిటీషన్స్లో పాల్గొన్న క్రీడాకారులందరికీ బెస్ట్ విషెస్ చెప్తూ, ఇటువంటి ఆపర్చునిటీని అందరూ ఉపయోగించుకోండి. ఇంటర్ హౌస్ కాంపిటీషన్స్లో గెలిచి మీ జోనల్ లెవెల్లో కూడా విన్ చేసి ఈ భాష్యం బ్లూమ్స్కి మంచి పేరు తీసుకురావాలని ఆశిస్తూ, ఇక్కడ ఈ స్పోర్ట్స్ మీట్కి గెస్ట్గా పిలిచినందుకు భాష్యం యాజమాన్యానికి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తూ ఇంత ధర్మిస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, sir, for those truly motivating words that will surely inspire our students.
Now, we humbly request our respected Zonal Education Officer Shivanarayan Reddy Garu to address the gathering with his valuable message.
Today's chief guest of the Blooms Intra Zonal Sports Meet, Satish Babu Garu, and Blooms Principal Visalakshi Ma'am, the young and dynamic principal of Tanuku Bhashyam Panduranga Garu, and teaching and non-teaching staff, especially PEDs and supporting parents and respectable parents, my dear students, everyone of you, pleasant evening. Today I feel very happy to stand before you on this auspicious occasion. Why it is auspicious? Means the student, as a student, they used to spend every day in the school from morning 9 to evening 4 o'clock. Out of these 7.5 hours, the student feel very happy in only one period, that is games period. If they am I right, students? Yes. If you yes, clap me please. Yes. They feel very happy in the sports period. They feel very happy in the games period. Yes, if you play well, your central nervous system, that is called CNS. It may be your forebrain or middle brain or hind brain will be activated. Your central nervous system will be activated. Your sense organs will be activated. Every muscle will be activated. Your blood circulation will be activated. So we'll get shine in your face. We get shining in our face also. If the students are getting such kind of shining, if the students are getting such kind of activity, mentally and physically, then automatically they can receive anything in the classroom. It may be biology, it may be social, or it may be anthropology, or it may be psychology, or it may be mathematics, or it may be Arabic also. A Telugu student can understand Arabic. A Telugu student can understand Spanish only because of one mantra, that is called playing games. That's why I feel very happy to utilizing this wonderful opportunity for all the little children of Bhashyam Blooms Tanuku. So I request all the teaching and non-teaching staff also here, especially principal ma'am. You please you don't deny their sports and games periods. Whenever they are getting sports and games period, let them allow to play in the playground. Okay? It's my sincere appeal to all of you. And there is a small saying in psychology, where there is a sound mind and a sound mind in a sound body. A sound mind in a sound body. The best example is Satish Babu Garu. Mentally strong, we can attain anything. That's why with this auspicious occasion, with the wonderful amenities and the wonderful possibilities available in Basham Blooms, should utilize each and every children. It may be skating, or it may be swimming, or it may be basketball, or it may be kabaddi, or it may be running. Just now sir is telling, out of in small town, Tanuki is a small town, in this town, 8 students of Satish Babu Garu, they have participated in Asian Games. 8 students in the Asian Games. Just now 2 days back, a wonderful student, they have participated in Asian Games in China. 8th student. Why not we? As a Basham Bloom student, are you willing to participate in Asian Games? Yes, are you willing to participate in Olympics? Tanuku student Jyotika is there, Dandi Jyotika. She have participated in Olympics athletics, running race. Last time we invited her as a chief guest. A small young girl at the age of 20 years, she became Olympics athlete. The same I am expecting, at least a few of Basham students will reach such position. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much. Thank you, my dear parents.
Bearers. We request our chief guest and ZDO sir to kindly present gifts to our torch bearers as a token of appreciation. We need your encouraging as well, parents. And Rupa from grade 7. Soumya from grade 7. Mukesh from grade 6. Congratulations to all our torch bearers.
Thank you, sir. Event is a hoop race, followed by the garden race for both boys and girls. Teachers kindly guide the students to the starting point onwards.
Yeah, come first.
Go. Okay, show me your thumbs up to camera. Show me your thumbs up.
Students, where's your encouragement?
Sino? Okay. Okay, sir.
बस बिठा नहीं
Come on.
Yes. Come on, speed. Come on. Yes. Yes. Come on. One more. Come on, fast.
Come on, Banvi.
Cheer for Banvi and Adya students. Sisters and brothers.
Go, Sharma, go, faint. Go.
Is that your
Come fast. Super.
Keep on the head. Keep it on your head.
Come on, children. Still more. Encourage. Playing very well. Come on. Come fast. Come on, children. Run. Yes, come on. Very good. Come on. Children, encourage. Come on.
Anakaran.
Kitty. Deva, come on.
Anakaran.
Come on, Viran. Deva, come on. 42, come on. Viran.
Sorry.
encourage students?
వెనకొచ్చింది సార్
Rayan, foul. All the best, Dhanush.
Very good, super. 6.60 meters.
6.60 meters in the second attempt. Yansh.
Super.
Wow.
6.7 meters.
6.7 meters.
Very good, super.
Chinmay's first attempt. 3 meters in her first attempt.
Go.
The first attempt for Chaitra is
First of all.
4.86 meters. Excellent. That was an excellent shot by Janvi Shri. That was a great shot. And the score is 2.82 meters. And the second attempt for Chaitra. Very good. And the score is 2.30 meters.
Come on, children, come on, come on.
Nihasri.
మేడం అంత గ్యాప్ నా మధ్య నీకు అర్థమైపోతుంది నేను ఫస్ట్ ఉన్నాయి
Very good, Zoya, very good. Everyone well played.
First place in the running race goes to Zoya. Second place is Nihasri.
Come on, come on, fast. Run, run, speed up, speed up. Come on, speed up. And the first.
That was
super.
and the score is 4.85 meters. The first attempt by Zoya,
లేదు బాగానే ఉంది అదిగో
by Sahasra, that was a super shot.
6.107
And the score is 6.17. That was a super throw. The score is
4 meters
4 meters. That was a good try. And the score is 2.20 meters. And the second attempt for Zoya. The first attempt by Nikhil Sai. And the score is
5.36 super
that was a great attempt by Lokesh. And the distance
8
7.90
7 అంటారు ఓకే వెరీ గుడ్
and the distance
ఆయన ఎక్కడ వేసుకున్నా బ్రో
4.95
that was a good try. And the distance is 3.48 meters. And the second attempt for Lokesh. That was a great attempt. And the distance 4.60 meters.
super ante pailu
That was an excellent shot.
ఎయిట్
The first attempt by Sahiti from grade 5. That was an excellent throw. And the distance?
5.45 meters.
That was an excellent throw. And the distance?
4.50.
4.5. That was a super throw. And the distance is?
6.20 meters.
6.0. And the distance?
5.08.
5.08 meters. The second attempt for Sindhuja.
Foul.
That was a foul. That was a super throw. And the distance?
4.93.
4.93 meters.
Good. 9 points.
9 points for Sahitya.
0.
0 for Devitya. 7 for Ishwara Priya.
Eight.
8 points for Sahitya. 9 for Kartika Siri. For Devitya and Ishwara Priya. 8 for Devitya.
0. Very good. Wait. 7.
7 for Sumit.
8.
అలా కామెడీ చేయనండి.
6.
6 for Shiva.
0.
0 for Panadesh.
6.
6 for Sumit.
10. Super.
10 for Mukesh. Second attempt for Shiva and Panagesh.
Very good.
9.
The first place is for Soumya from Palbar group.
అమ్మ రావద్దు.
Ma, give a big round of claps.